Hey, now let's see what is a Python interpreter. Python is an excellent programming language that allows you to be productive in a wide variety of fields. Python is also a piece of software called interpreter. The interpreter is the program that you will need to run your Python code. Technically, the interpreter is a layer of software that works between your program and your computer hardware to get your code running. So, the interpreter is the one which converts your Python statements, which are in high level language, to something which computer can understand. So, the Python interpreter is used to run your Python code. We can run the Python code in two ways, either as a piece of code typed into an interactive session or as a .py file. A widely used way to run Python code is through an interactive session. So let's see how to run Python code interactively. So to start a Python interactive session, just open a command line or terminal. So let me open my terminal. So now to start the Python interactive session, I just need to type Python. You can type Python or Python 3 depending on your Python installation, and then hit enter. You will see these lines. Now this is the standard prompt for Python interactive mode. As soon as you see these three characters, you will know that you are in the Python interactive session. Now you can write and run Python code as you wish. So let's write the traditional hello world statement. Print hello world. It has printed the string hello world. You can write any other statement like 2 plus 5 or 10 into 5 by 2 and so on, right? Whatever we can do in Python, you can implement that here within the interactive mode. But the only drawback is when you close this session, all your code will be gone. The main advantage of working on interactive session is it allows you to test every piece of code you write, which makes it an awesome development tool and an excellent place to experiment with the language. You can also test the Python code on the fly. So whenever you want to implement a small functionality, you can directly come to this interactive mode and write code here, test here, and experiment with the language. So this is one of the widely used way to run Python code because it allows you to test and experiment with your code. But the only drawback is when you close this session, all your code will be gone. You can exit this interactive mode by typing exit and hit enter. Or you can just type Ctrl D to exit from this interactive mode. There is another way to interact with Python called an enhanced interactive Python. You can launch the enhanced interactive Python just by typing IPython and hit enter. Now, this enhanced interactive Python has more features than the default interactive Python. Here, in means it is waiting for the input, and then this is the first statement in this session, right? Let's write the print statement, hello world. So it has printed hello world. Let's say 2 plus 5. I can write 10 plus 5 by 2. This enhanced interactive Python has more features than the default interactive Python. This interpreter is colorful, it has code completion, it can run system commands within this Python interactive mode. You can even retrieve command history across sessions. In the next video, we shall see how to write a Python program in a file and run it.